Ladies and gentlemen, it has been about 10 minutes, and we definitely have results for all of these. Again, 5 honestly is enough, so you know if it's 3, it's pretty significant. So, the first thing I want to look at, is copper better than lead? Does that look like anything happened to it? Yes? Or no? This is the question you should be asking yourself each time. And in the lab, there's going to be questions asking, did it react? Is it better? If the answer is yes to one, the answer is yes to both. So for example, going back to my liver and apple example, is liver better than apple? No. Am I going to trade? No. Is apple better than pizza? Is a pizza better than an apple? Yes. So is copper better than lead? Well, did this do anything? This one, just because it was really hard to see, I did, right before the video, drain it a bunch out. So in case you notice that there's a lot less. And I'm going to really try to show you that color. That looks black. And I think when you compare it to this copper, I think we know what happened. Again, every time ask yourself, yes or no. Zinc and copper sulfate. That is black. For reference, this is what zinc normally looks like. Grabbed an extra piece. Again, this one admittedly is not 100% black like the other one. There's some dark gray for sure. But again, this is what it looked like before. Magnesium, zinc chloride. I mean, honestly, I think you guys can see the bubbles that are still going on. Is that reacting? And then this is the one with salt water. Again, is anything happening? The last one, aluminum. Aluminum plus magnesium chloride. Again, is anything happening? And then the aluminum with the acidified zinc chloride. So again, the acid just helps it a little bit because there's an outer coat. The shininess on top of aluminum is an outer coat. So we're just trying to get through that. But you can see, is this reacting here? Again, I'll try to maybe put it on a black background so maybe you can see a little better. There's a lot of condensation, it's hard to see. There we go, now we can see it better. And again, is that reacting? Again, ask yourself each time, yes or no, yes or no, yes or no, yes or no. And that's gonna really help you rank these in terms of an activity series. And again, an activity series tells us, you know, what's the best metals in terms of reactivity? What's the worst? Now that you have this, you actually can rank these 7 from best to worst. And that's what the rest of this lab is on.